Okay, here I have a Lenovo Chromebook just for reference. But if you turn on your computer after not using it for a very long time, or just if you use it for a short time, but you are still getting this logo when you plug it in, it just means that it probably has been sitting uncharged for a very long time. And that means that you should probably charge it for a very long time. What you can do is just leave it sitting there. You can try one of the outputs, charging outputs, or you can try the one on the other side if you have that type of Chromebook, and just wait. And if you don't want to wait an hour, wait 15 minutes, wait half an hour. They're all less than 1 hour, but they enable your Chromebook to be fully charged. If, for example, this is a home Chromebook and you received it and you turn it on and you get that screen and you see it's not working, just leave it charging for a very long time. You might even have to charge it overnight. And the other thing you have to do, you have to connect it to your Wi-Fi at home, your internet at home, your network at home. So in doing so, you have to open right down here, lower right hand side of the screen. You have to select there, and then you will get your list of available Chromebook network options, ones that you can connect to. So you'll select one that corresponds to the one that you have, and then you'll put in the password, and then you select connect. Why you want to do this? Because automatically the Chromebook is not going to be connected to your network. It's connected to the school's network or to your workplace's network. And that doesn't help you trying to get connected at home where you are, where you need to use your Chromebook. After doing so, your network will say connecting. If you've done it right, it will say connected after about 30 seconds or so. And if you've done it incorrect, you'll have the option to do it again. And it's also possible sometimes that you didn't type it incorrectly. And then, for example, as I just showed you, when you type in a password that's not correct, it will say bad password, and you will have the option to do it again. And you won't be able to see the password while you're typing it because it's protected for security reasons. Then you go to connect, and it will give you the option to sign into your Chromebook. And you have to wait a little bit at this screen. And if your device is locked, it could be one of many reasons. It could be that the student that had this computer before did not return this back to where they were supposed to. It can mean that the computer was on for a very long time and you cannot log in. What you can then do, if you don't wish to bring the computer all the way back to your workplace or all the way back to your school or all the way back to wherever, you can copy that serial number down and send that serial number back via email through to the IT director where you are from, or IT administrator, or your technical support specialist, so your computer can be unlocked remotely.